Today on Animal Fact Files, we're discussing the animals that aren't vertebrates or arthropods. Fish, birds, mammals, reptiles, and amphibians are all vertebrates, or otherwise animals with backbones. Arthropods are animals which at some point in their life possess an exoskeleton with segmented parts that meet at joints. Any animal that doesn't fit into any of these categories is part of the Other Invertebrates playlist here on AFF. Yeah, this is where the weirdos hang out.
Other invertebrates include jellyfish, worms, snails, and some animals you probably haven't even heard of. They're the group that can be found everywhere, but are almost always overlooked. There are creatures who have been to space, single organisms formed by a massive colony, and animals with no organs at all. You never know what might be lurking in these videos.
If you haven't already, be sure to check out the Other Invertebrates playlist here on AFF so you can discover all kinds of these unique animals. We hope you learned something new, and we thank you for watching Animal Fact Files.